Hey there, my name is Jordan and I am the marketing guy here at Energy Suspension in beautiful San Clemente, California. In this series, we will be installing a full vehicle master kit on this 2010 Nissan Altima. This episode, we are going to replace the original worn rubber rear upper control arm bushings with Energy Suspension Hyperflex Polyurethane. In previous episodes, we watched Billy disassemble the rear end, separating the arms and knuckle from the vehicle. With the arm removed from the vehicle, we find ourselves over at the hydraulic press. Using the instruction sheet, we find spacers with the provided measurements to push out the bushing. The instruction sheet for this installation is in the description below. Looking to do this on your car? We strongly recommend obtaining and understanding the job for this service from the factory service manual before bushing replacement begins. If you do not have a press at home, there are many tools that can be used to have the same result. We also have a few videos available on our channel that show other methods of removal. The new bushings are easily installed with the provided Formula 5 grease. We used an arbor press to install the sleeves, however, a set of channel locks would work just the same. For this video, we see Billy's method of removing the rear upper control arm bushing using a hydraulic press. We installed new Hyperflex Polyurethane, ready to provide a high-performance driving experience backed with Energy Suspension's 7-year, 750,000-mile warranty. There are many ways this sort of installation can be done. The purpose of this video is to show what the process can look like before considering the job yourself. Stay tuned for the next episodes to see more tips and tricks.
Do it once. Do it right.